Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam and I would love to have you guys subscribe so you won't miss out on any new videos. So today I'm going to be filming another fragrance miss of the week video inspired by my friend Natalie Grace, so all props go to her and all credits go to her, you guys know. So yeah, why don't we just go ahead and get started. First scent I have that I wore was actually Coconut Candy Apple. This scent is actually a lot better than when I originally picked it up. When I picked it up originally, I wasn't the biggest fan of it. I didn't understand why everyone else was so in love with it, but now I'm obsessed. It really truly does smell like a candy apple. I don't get a lot of that coconut though. Yeah, I could get that coconut at some points, like it's like a hint of coconut here and a hint of coconut there, but it's not like you smell this and you smell coconut, at least for me. I wore this to bed. Yeah, I wore this to bed with the matching lotion, and the lasting power isn't super amazing on this, I don't think, at least, but it is a really good scent and it's a nice bedtime scent. I think this is also a great transitional fragrance, you know, from summer to fall, because it's not super like pumpkin spice and everything like that, but it still does give you that fall essence. The fragrance notes are candied red apple, shredded coconut, and vanilla spice. I also kind of wish that that spice was a little more prominent because I feel like it's like not the strongest in here. Yeah, when I spray it, it just smells like fresh candied apples, like you are at the fair or the pumpkin patch. But it's a really nice, pretty scent, and I think I can see anyone wearing this. It's not super gourmand or anything like that, so I think it's just perfect. Next up, we're going to be doing a perfume that I've been wearing. This is Ariana Grande Cloud Perfume. I got this in like April of this past year, and I kind of stopped wearing it. I don't know why, and now I'm back obsessed with it. This is such a beautiful packaging, but you can take it out like this, and this is what I'm wearing today. I just love this fragrance. It smells like a sweet, marshmallowy, musky scent. A lot of people say that this reminds them of In the Stars. I personally don't love In the Stars, but I love this scent. It is actually pretty long lasting. I would say like a good 5-6 hours. I've gotten so many compliments on this at work, so I highly recommend you guys checking them out because I don't know, I just love Ariana Grande perfumes. I think this one for sure has to be my favoriteest one that she's come out with. I know she just came out with God is a Woman, and I need to go ahead and give that a smell, but I haven't gone to Ulta recently, so yeah, this is the next fragrance or perfume, I guess, and I typically will just pair this with like a vanilla lotion or something a little like marshmallowy or sweet. Goes perfect. Moving on, we have Velvet Petals. I wore this to work. Again, another amazing, just everyday casual fragrance. I think this is such a nice, girly, feminine scent that I think anyone could pull off no matter where you're going or what you're wearing. It is just a pretty scent. That's all I can really describe this as. It has lush blooms and almond glaze, and you guys can tell this thing is very well loved. Like, I absolutely adore this fragrance. The lasting power isn't too bad. Let me tell you guys, it's really not bad for being Victoria's Secret. I don't have the matching lotion, so I think I just typically pair this with like a sweet, like a sweeter kind of fragrance or lotion. So if you guys have like 1,000 Wishes lotion, you could totally pair this with that, and it does last a good while. Like I said, I absolutely love this scent. This is probably one of like my favorite scents from Victoria's Secret, so I highly recommend it, and I know so many of you guys love it as well. Next fragrance I have is Beachfront Blanket, another amazing work fragrance. I feel like, I mean, I work 5 days a week, so this is perfect for me, especially after my morning spin classes. So I typically will go to spin, come home and shower, but you know, you still kind of feel gross. I don't know why. I still feel a little bit gross because I don't wash my hair right after. I know that might be kind of disgusting, but I cannot wash my hair twice a day, so it's fine. But Beachfront Blanket is such a clean, dryer sheet type of scent. It is very strong and potent, so keep that in mind. I know some of you guys said like you love this fragrance, but you can't wear it because it does tend to give you a headache. I would recommend you guys spraying it on your clothes like a couple hours before you leave and put on those clothes just so it can air out a little bit. But I love this. You do not need a lot. Even with just the lotion or the body cream, it lasts so freaking long. So this has fresh white linen, summer sun rays, soft musk. It is a beautiful scent. I spray this like in my room sometimes on my pillows, and it just makes me feel so clean. It smells like freshly done laundry, and I love that. Next up, I have Lavender in Bloom. I don't know when this scent came out because I got it during the summer SAS and I'd never seen it before, but this has lavender fields, lily of the valley, and sun washed driftwood. I feel like this scent is again perfect for work because it's not a super strong scent, but if you pass by someone, they're definitely going to get that nice scent of like lavender. I, again, didn't wear this scent too much when I first got it, but it is such a nice scent. It is not super potent in the lavender. It's not like that super, I don't know if I should say like herbally, because I don't know if lavender is an herb, but like it's not that aromatherapy kind of lavender scent that you would think it is. So if you don't like lavender like that, don't like be nervous about this. This is for sure more of like a fresh floral lavender scent. Yeah. It is so good. It smells fresh. It smells like comforting, something like that. I really love this fragrance, and I think it's perfect for day to day. I love to wear this to bed as well because it is just such a nice, relaxing scent. It has something like spa-like to it that I just love, but yeah. Next scent I have is Victoria's Secret Horizon in Bloom. I think I've been into like florals recently. I go through like stages where I'm really into gourmand scents, I'm really into fresh scents, and I'm also very into floral scents. So it depends on my mood that week. But this has pink cactus and peach nectar. I love anything with a peach note in it, especially nectar. Like nectar scents are so much better. And I would say this is again a fresh, fruity, floral scent. It's not like a super strong floral rose in your face. It's very light and pretty. Again, these scents don't last super long, which does disappoint me, but if you are okay with taking this in your bag or leaving this in your car and just giving yourself a little refresher, I highly, highly recommend it because it is just such a pretty scent. And I think you can still get this right now, so check it out. I love this whole collection. I love the blue one too. I think it's Before the Rain. I love that one too. Last but certainly not least is a new scent to me. This is Sweater Weather. I am in love with this scent. This is another great transitional like summer to fall fragrance because it has sun-kissed apple, autumn leaves, and orchard woods. It's again a fresh scent, but you can smell those leafy notes and also like that apple. So I feel like the apple kind of freshens this fragrance up, makes it smell a little more, you know, fresh like summer. But then there's those autumn leaves in there that just bring it back to those fall cozy vibes. And I will be wearing this all the time in the fall time and the winter. I feel like this is the best like fresher fragrance for fall. It smells like a cologne-y kind of scent. In my opinion, it's more like a cologne-y, like definitely unisex. I feel like anyone can wear this scent and I just adore it. The lasting power is okay. I do have the matching lotion, which I love to pair these two with because I've been loving my matching sets. But overall, I am really happy with this fragrance. I also love Pink Velvet Cupcake. That one is really good if you guys are more of like a sweeter, girly candy kind of vibe. But this is great for those of you guys who want a fresh scent that isn't so citrusy and summery. This is amazing for that, so highly recommend you guys picking this up. I know a lot of you guys want me to pick up the new fall scents like the blueberry pancake one and the pumpkin cupcake. Honestly, you guys, I've been really lazy to order online. Those of you guys who know me, I hate ordering online, and also I just have been trying to really limit my fragrance collection because it's getting a little out of hand. I know that. and I have been feeling a little overwhelmed by it, so I want to get through some stuff. So I don't really want to, I kind of want to go on like a no buy slash low buy. I hope you guys can understand. I don't need to have a full room of fragrances. As much as I love them, I have enough to choose from, and I'm very happy with that. So that is why I haven't picked them up yet, but who knows, maybe in the future I'll pick them up, and I feel like they will definitely go on sale during the semi-annual sale, which I'm realizing that, so yeah. Also, I really quickly just want to mention something that I picked up. As I just said, I'm not buying any more fragrances. I want to get into perfumes now, you guys. Like, I've been all over perfume TikTok. I bought this Sephora Favorite Spa Day Scents sample kit. So it was $25, and the samples are very small. Like, they're literally like teeny tiny, but you get like a free roller ball, whichever one you want to choose. And I love the replica bubble bath one. I've been wanting a replica perfume, but they're so dang expensive. So also, I really want Burberry Her. My coworker was wearing it and it smelled to die for, and I couldn't stop like thinking about it. So that is definitely what I'm going to pick up next, I hope. But yeah, also this video is going all over the place, but look at how cute my nails are. I just got them done today. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but I just did like a pink French tip. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of the fragrances I wore this week. You guys know how much I love Fragrance Miss and switching up my scents. So yeah, thank you guys again for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!